idol, sakay na po tayo mga idol natin. Sakay tayo ng flight meron namin mga idol. Good morning mga idol, tara sakay na tayo. Sabay ko yung tito ko. Kaway-kaway lang daw sa napin yung number 30. Morning po.
Thank you.
Sasakay nandito na kami sa loob.
Good morning.
Morning po.
Hello po. Good morning. Straight ahead po, left side po yan.
Hello everyone and welcome to your Cebu Pacific flight where we make moments happen with you. This is 5J373 bound for Rojas. Only gas for this flight to Rojas. If you have a different flight number destination, please call your cabin crew for assistance. Magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. Ito po ang Cebu Pacific, lipad bilang 7 patungong Rojas. Mangyari po lamang natawagin ng pagsisimay ng cabin crew kung hindi ito ang inyong tamang lipad.
Cebu Pacific is certified under the International Operational Safety Audit, or INOSA, the highest standards for safety in the global airline industry. Welcome aboard Cebu Pacific. Make first moments happen.
And dyan kon dito kami. Ano, finish.